Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VirtualBox latest version, that is 7.2.4, and its extension pack on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to VirtualBox official website. It is virtualbox.org. Hit enter, then click on download or download, either is fine. Then click on Linux distributions. See here we have the Ubuntu versions 22.24 and 25.04. I am on Ubuntu 24.04, so click on Ubuntu 24.04. See, download started and its size is about 109 megabytes and it is .debian package. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this 7.2.4 Debian package. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, then go to downloads ls. See here we have the VirtualBox Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then virtual, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, this is the expected error. So to fix this issue, we have to install these dependencies. Try to install this one. If you try to install this one, you will get the error like run the command sudo apt fix broken install. Okay, let me show you the fix. Sudo see, as I told you, we got this error, so we have to run this command sudo apt fix broken install. Hit enter. This command is, see here, this command is going to install dependencies. Okay, type for confirmation and hit enter. Ctrl A. Now install VirtualBox again by running same sudo dpkg-i, then debian package. Hit enter. See, this time we are not receiving any error like dependency errors. It is setting up 7.2.4. We have successfully installed VirtualBox 7.2.4. Ctrl A. Now go to show applications. See here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it to open. See, we got the VirtualBox. Now verify the version. Go to help, then about VirtualBox. See here we have installed VirtualBox 7.2.4. Now we will install VirtualBox extension pack. Again go to VirtualBox main page, then click on download. See here we have the VirtualBox extension pack 7.2.4. Click on accept and download. See, download started. Click on this extension pack. Now it will open VirtualBox. See here it is going to install VirtualBox extension pack 7.2.4. Click on install. See, this is the license agreement. See, this I agree or disagree is disabled. Why? We have to read all the license agreement, then only we will be able to click on this I agree or disagree. Click on I agree. We have to provide the administrator sudo user password for authentication. Hit enter. It is done. Now if you want to verify, see here we have installed VirtualBox extension pack. See, version number of the VirtualBox extension pack is 7.2.4. okay, now go home. Now if you want to create virtual machine, click on new, then you have to fill all these details, or if you want to open the existing one, click on open. See, we have to select the .ovf or .ova files. Cancel it. We have the same options in this machine, then open or new. Okay, so we have successfully installed VirtualBox 7.2.4 on Ubuntu 24.04. so these two files are not required anymore, so remove them, both extension pack and installer Debian package. At least we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox 7.2.4 and its extension pack on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.